Okay, in this video, we're going to teach you about the great timeline feature in Excel 2013. Okay, so basically this is a slicer for time. We talked about slicers in our chip example. You need a date field in your data. In other words, you have to have actual dates. So let's look at an example here of how a timeline slicer works. So here we have people selling makeup. I based this on my daughter Jen and her friends in 7th grade. We have the dates they sold makeup, so this is the actual date field. You need that. The product they sold, lip gloss, eyeliner, foundation, the number of units, and number of dollars. Okay, so let's do a normal pivot table to show what every woman sold of each product. Let's just do dollars. So I can do insert, pivot table. It's got my data. Okay, so I'm going to do product here, the name of the woman here, and let's say dollars here. All right. Okay. So, for instance, Ashley of eyeliner sold 58.44, etc. Okay. Now, what I'd like to do is put in a timeline. So I do insert, if you have Excel 2013, which I'm sure at Microsoft everybody has. We've done slicers, but here's timeline. Okay, so you base it on the date field. You might have more than one date field, so you might have to select which column, but date there. And now look how cool this is. Okay, so I can do months, years, quarters, months, or days. So if I do quarters here, they have to be contiguous. In other words, you'd have to use the shift key here. But if I go here, 2004 Q1, now my totals are for 2004 Q1 through 2005 Q1. I could go months. So I could say, let's say March 2004, I don't know, through September 2004. And my totals are for that. This is so cool. So you can go to a presentation with your pivot table based on your entire timeline of data, and then if the boss asks about any particular subset of time, you can pull up the figures instantly and really impress him or her. And of course you can clear the filter, all periods, but we'll leave it. Let me leave it here with just something like this, so we have that. Well, that's it for timeline feature. It's very simple. Okay, but remember you have to have a date field, but that's really all you need to know about the timeline feature, and it's a slicer for time. So tell your friends about it.
Okay, so thanks for watching, and there's a free course, a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, and all of these videos are coming from one of 3 books. So first, this one, which you can see here at the top of the screen, Microsoft's book, which has 355 reviews, and then it's, let's see, 4.6 stars. It's coming from this book as well, his marketing analytics book, which is down here, and you can sort of see 4.5, or his newest book, his analytics stories book, which is here. And with that one, you can see it's 4 point something, or maybe even 5. I don't think it's 5. Yeah, 4.8. And so, yeah, anyways, in the description, there's a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, or you can go to excelwithwayne.com/free, and it'll be there. But again, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, just please let us know. Thanks.